Hi, today we are going to see a mind-blowing question from Chapter 1 of 10th Standard CBSE. Let's check the question. Prime factorization of three numbers A, B, and C is given below. And there is a condition we have, P is less than Q is less than R. And all of them are natural numbers. So we will just make out some inferences based on this given data. Just for example, I am taking P as, let's say, 7, Q as 8, and R as 9 for us to understand what these numbers are, A, B, and C. All right. See, everywhere you have A is a combination of prime factors 2, 3, and 5. P is a combination of prime factors again 2, 3, and 5. And in fact, C also. Just the powers vary. All right. And so let's take A as 2 power R. So it is 2 power 9. B is 2 power P. So it's 2 power 7. And C is 2 power Q. Is 2 power 8. Let's quickly run through what this HCF and LCM is all about. HCF is the highest common factor available with all the set of numbers given, may it be 2 numbers or 3 numbers. So whatever is common from all those numbers that is given, that is called HCF. Okay. So we will pick only the common terms from the available numbers or the common prime factors to be very precise. Whereas LCM is the common numbers, along with that, the remaining all numbers which are not present everywhere or which are not common also, we will consider to be part of the LCM. All right. So when coming back to HCF, what do we do when you have all the numbers common, 2 power 9, 2 power 7, and 2 power 8, we will take the smallest power of the common terms. Okay. So 2 power 7 will be HCF for A, B, and C with respect to the prime number 2. Similarly, just check out A has 3 power P, 3 power R, B has got, C has 3 power Q. Again, the smallest will be 3 power P because P is the least. And similarly, for A, we have 5 power Q, for B, we have 5 power P, and C has 5 power P. Again, the smallest will be 5 power P. So, the HCF of A, B, and C will be 2 power P into 3 power P into 5 power P. Can you all understand this? The common terms, as P is given to be less than Q and Q is less than R, the smallest available power from A, B, and C is P. So we have decided HCF is 2 power P, 3 power P, 5 power P. Now, going back to the question, the largest number that divides A, B, and C without leaving a remainder is 30. So clearly, that is the HCF of the three numbers A, B, and C. See, we don't know what the numbers are, but the hint given is 30 is the largest number that divides all the three without leaving a remainder. So HCF is 30. Now we can make out what is P from this. So 2 into 3, this can be written as 2 into 3 into 5 whole power P based on a rule from exponents, right? A power m into B power m is AB whole power m. So what do we get here? 6 into 5, 30. 30 power P is 30. Therefore, P is 1. See, here I have P 7, 8, and 9. This is just to understand how this prime factors work. That is not the real answer. P is 1 is the real answer for P. Now, the next hint is the smallest number that leaves a remainder of 2 when divided by each of A, B, and C is 5,402. So, what is given here? LCM. The hint is about LCM. And 5,400 is exactly divisible by A, B, and C. And all of these numbers leave a remainder 2. All right. So, LCM is going to be 5,400. Now, let's find out what is LCM of A, B, and C with the given prime factors. Okay. So, we know that R is the greatest. So, we will just pick 2 power R, which is present in A. And do we have R in terms 3 prime factors 3? Yes, we have B is 3 power R. So the highest value will be 3 power R. which includes P and Q. See, for example, if I'm picking 2 power 9, 2 power 7 is a factor already of that, and 2 power 8 is also a factor of 2 power 9. So we are just taking the highest common factor, which will include all the remaining, and there is no uncommon terms here with A, B, and C. So let's not worry about that. And when it comes to 5, we have 5 power Q, 5 power P, and 5 power P. So the biggest one here will be 5 power Q, because it is given that P is less than Q and less than R. Now let's prime factorize 5,400 just to get it in terms of 2, 3, and 5. So we have also learned this. This is the fundamental principle of arithmetic. Any prime number can be expressed as any number can be expressed as product of prime, just that the combination differs. So we will quickly prime factorize this 2,700, and this is 1,350, and with this dividing by 2 we get 675. Now divide by 5, we get 5 13s are 65, 25 135, and again by 5 we get 27. So it is 3Q. All right, so we have a set of 2's here, which is 2Q, and we have 3Q, and we have 2 5's. All right, so now comparing this with the LCM, because this is prime factorization of 5,400, we can come to the conclusion that R is 3 and Q is 2. R is 3 and Q is 2. Already we got P to be 1. That's it. P, Q, and R we have found out. Now it's not going to be a difficult task to find out what is A, B, and C all about, right? So we will quickly find out what is that. A is 2 power R. R is 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 2 power R. So it is 2Q into 3 power 1 into 5 power 2. I'm just working out A, B, and C. You can make it on your own. So this is 8 into 25, 200 into 3, 600 is A. Similarly, you can find out B and C. This is an excellent question. If you're practicing this well and completing this on time, I'm sure you can face any of your LCM and HCF question from class 10. All the best. Practice. See you all soon in another video. Till then, Balaji again. Take care.